Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the hotly anticipated Ghd Unplugged cordless straighteners. So we've seen that Dyson have done them, Cloud9 have done them, Babyliss have done them, and Ghd haven't disappointed. They're unplugged, and I love the name, Unplugged. Like, everyone is just going with cordless, as we know. Cordless this, cordless that. Ghd is just a cool brand and thought, actually, let's do Unplugged, because that's exactly what they are. So I've got the box here. I'm going to read you the little gift note that they've sent me. They sent me them as a gift just to bring to you and to have a little play with in the salon, which I have, and they're amazing. I've got the Ghd Platinums. I've had them all over the years, all different colours. I used the Ghd Helios hairdryer, and yeah, lucky enough for them to send me these straighteners, so I'm super excited to show you them and let you know a little bit more about them. So they sent me this introducing Ghd Unplugged. We're so excited to gift you our latest launch, Ghd Unplugged Cordless Styler, the ultimate tool for on-the-go styling, anytime, anywhere, cordless, USB-C charging, hybrid co-lithium technology, and our optimum styling temperature of 185 degrees. Perfect for long-lasting touch-ups before those all-important aftershots in the salon, and fantastic for getting creative on set or on stage. It's all about, it's about to become your kit bag hero. We can't wait to see the looks you create with the Ghd Unplugged. Hashtag gifted, hashtag Ghd Unplugged, hashtag no strings attached. Love at Ghd Pro. So yeah, thank you Ghd for sending me these. There's the picture that is doing the rounds at the minute with the girl in the car. So here's the box, and understated. It's just like the rest of them. But yeah, on the box, Ghd Good Hair Day, Unplugged, on-the-go cordless styler, quick, sleek and smooth hair, anytime, anywhere. Little bit of like rubberized packaging here, but just all matte black. Unplugged, on-the-go cordless styler, and then on the back in the English, I won't try any other language. Discover the ultimate luxury of styling freedom with the Ghd's first on-the-go cordless styler. They come in black and white. I've got the black. Powerful on-the-go styling, hybrid co-lithium technology. The unique combination of bespoke dual zone heaters with the advanced lithium batteries ensures powerful Ghd performance at the consistent temperature of 185 degrees for no extreme heat. One full charge equals one full hairstyle. Thick, long hair is top-up use. I was thinking about the charge timing. I didn't. One of my clients said she got the Dyson, and they don't last to do her hair. Big, thick, long hair, and they don't last. Luxe results: smooth, contoured plates with a high gloss coating. Easy, snag-free, versatile styling with extra shine. Typical Ghd. Optimally designed for portability and seamless use. Smart 5-bar battery life indicator, USB-C cable and plug for easy charging anywhere within 2 hours. Compact heat resistant carry case to protect and secure your styler and cable while on the go. Ideal for traveling, cabbage luggage friendly, which is good. Peace of mind, sleep mode automatically switches off after 3 minutes to preserve battery life. 2-year warranty, and the Ghd Unplugged cannot be used while it is charging. Oh, okay. So unlike clippers that you can plug in and carry on use, you can't with these. Right, let's open it. Here's the little carry case, like a little pencil case. Oh, it's got that on it. Yeah, so tiny. And here they are. So for size, what's that? Big as my head. They are small. They've got a bit of girth to them there, bit of width. Not uncomfortable to use though, or to handle. Smaller. Are they smaller than normal plates? Yeah, I think they're slightly smaller. But they're very much like the Platinum. There's the charging cable. I need to charge them. So, yeah, turn them on there. Battery bars there, 5 of them that will flick on. But no, they didn't get hot at all. But yeah, this is the GHD. I'm going to run the GHD ad now so you can have a look at it. And yeah, I just want to say thanks. I've got some little videos that I'm going to put in a second just to show you what exactly they're like. But so small. What I did notice though is I didn't get a charging cable, so I'm having to use something behind the camera. But here's the plug. Like that, like Apple. And it is USB-C both ends. So USB-C from there to USB-C there. And I didn't get the cable, so I'm using a USB-C on a standard USB because my package was empty. So GHD Unplugged cable. It's so unplugged, I didn't get a plug. At least I don't think it didn't fall out, did it? Alright, but it fell out. Here it is. Right, let's show you. This is how new they are. I had a little play with them in the salon while the battery life was there. And the box was empty. So, this will go in there. That end, oh, this end will go in there. And there we go. Simple. You won't have to do a plug. But that is it. So like the Apple. That's like Apple now, isn't it? USB-C. Everything's going USB-C. So yeah, just flick that up, plug it in the wall, there we go, sit there charging. So I'm going to charge these and take them into the salon tomorrow, have a proper play of them. So if you want to know how I get on and what styles I do, if you want to know, put comments down below if you want to see what I get up to in the salon with these. But like GHD said, I think they're going to be perfect for like stage work, rather than to have all them plugs everywhere. All they need to do, and people keep saying this to me when I said, oh, we're getting some of these, was why does nobody do a cordless hairdryer? And the amount of power that has to go through a cordless hairdryer must be unbelievable. But there is a company in America that have got a cordless hairdryer, and they've been talking to me about sending me one, but they're going to be working on something with a bigger power, so I won't go into that. But yeah, this video is all about the GHD Unplugged cordless straighteners at the minute. So thank you GHD for sending me these. I will run all the pictures and everything through here, all the videos, so you can see I've done a little bit in the salon using them. But I'll run the ad and you can see what they're all about. And again, if you want to see more of the review videos, let me know in the comments down below and I'll bring them to you. So thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below, let me know, and I'll see you on the next video.